coffee ko, Mama Berna. Sa labas. Mas maganda sa labas. May ambience. Diba? Yan. Sa labas ako mag-coffee. Nice toilet, pero ginawa naming sampayan ng mga clothes. Okay. Dito. Magko-coffee. Dito masarap mag-coffee kasi kita yung view. Dito sana ako mag-coffee, pero may init na pala. So, dito na lang. Dito na lang ako mag-coffee, Mama Berna. This is my view here at Sala Ayutthaya. It's called Sala Ayutthaya. Ayun yung dyan ako nag-coffee at yun ang aking area for chilling out. Now, let's go and have breakfast, Mama Berna. Bukas, dito naman ako magko-coffee, Mama Berna. Oh. Mukhang masarap mag-chill out by the swimming pool pa. Mga sofas na yan, oh. Nice resort. Small lang, pero maganda. So, we're at the restaurant. Yan ang pinupuntahan dito. Yan tinatawag na riverfront. Yun nga lang. Ang mahal, oh. 1,690. Samantalang sa labas, it's just 1/4 the price. Okay, so let's enter the restaurant. And we were here last night. Merong indoors at may outdoors, but I'm sure we would rather be hello, how are you?
Yes.
How are you?
Good.
Okay, we'll have breakfast. Dito tayo breakfast, Mama Berna. You look busy. Ako rin, chayan ako. Ang ganda rito kagabi. We were here last night. Ayun, last night, oh. Kusan ako po yung dalawang mamang yun, no? Doon kami nag-inom-inom ni Mama Berna at a view ng temple. Diyan, kita yung overflowing ng dagat. Kanya dami-daming ano rito, river prawns. Ang haba kasi ng river nila, eh. Yan, may libreng juice pala tayo, eh. Dami naman yung binigay na juice. May tubig pa kasama. Tatlong baso. Yung ambience dito sa yun sa kanyang dining, ganda talaga. Nga lang, pag mainit, view na lang nakikita mo. Pawisan ka sa init na yan. Yan ang masarap.
Can I have an extra plate?
Atis.
Plate?
Yan ang masarap. Atis, Mama Berna. Sarap yan. With this view. Berna, it's a la carte, but it's eat all you can. You can order as much as you want. Oh, wow. Really? That's why you're looking at again? Oh my God. Hindi na tayo makakalakad niyan.
We'll have the smoked salmon avocado toast.
Oh, additional smoked salmon daw. Ano? Sarap yan. Kano bili mo niyan, Mama Berna? Yan ang masarap. Yun nga lang. Binili mo yan. Magkano yan? How much did you buy it? Ha? Nakalimutan mo na? Oh, wow. Sobrang busog na naman natin ngayon. Wala pa yung pagkain, no? Ang dami ng fruits. Kin lang may mga trees na nagko-cover, para hindi nga na mainit. So closer, and I asked the staff the name of this temple. This is called the Puthai Sawan. Wow, very nice, especially at night. Well, actually, you can decide also to take a boat to visit the different temples if you don't want to walk just by the river. That's the reason why they also have a pier here. You can rent private boats with so many temples if you visit Ayutthaya. But it's high tide right now, so the boats can't really come here just for this resort. I think tonight it would be nice to reserve this particular place. I saw a couple staying here last night. I think if they allow us to get this, we'll reserve it for tonight. We were on that table last night. Wow, that's gonna be a perfect spot, but good for 4 people. Eggs Benedict for breakfast. Order ni Mama Berna. Lagi may Eggs Benedict. Eggs Benedict with hollandaise sauce. Okay. I'm gonna start with my Eggs Benedict. Oh, so much food coming. Kasi nga, it's eat all you can. My God. It's even better than the buffet because they serve it to you. Imagine that, ha? Mas maganda pa sa buffet ito, eh. Kasi they serve the food to you and you can order anything from the menu. Ayan, no? Pag maganda ang tulo nito, ayan, no? Tumutulo. Ayan, yan ang importante sa Eggs Benedict. Hindi yung overcook. Eggs Benedict, I have the avocado toast. Saan yung avocado nito? Yun, nakatago pala yung avocado. But it's called avocado toast. Let me try. Baon ka pa? Mango sticky rice? Sabi ka naman. Dami mong pagkain. Aking kinakain. Ito yung avocado. May salmon din. Oh. Halos nakalahati ko na. Sauce? Pampasarap? Oh, dami nating food, Mama Berna. May baon ka pa. Ang cute naman ng cereals niya. With the milk. Oh. Galing ng pagkakalagyan niya sa jar. Ito milk and that's it. Ay, konti pa, Mama. Oh, yan. Perfect. Cereals comes the cappuccino with a nice design. Done with the breakfast. Only here at Sala Ayutthaya. So I suggest, even though it's a little bit expensive, you should try this place. It's the best place here in Ayutthaya. Nothing can be better. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.